The benefits of the cover crop on the soil are mainly three things we want to promote. One is the soil condition, or the tilth of the soil, which allows the irrigation water that's applied here to infiltrate better into the soil. The second is the cover crop takes up excess nitrogen when there's no plant available, such as this time of the year, and especially in the spring when we have most of our nitrate leaching here in Iowa. And the third thing the cover crop does is it protects the soil from erosion, and so those are three good things that we like about cover crops. This situation here is especially complex in terms of nitrogen management because the producer had three forms of nitrogen. He had nitrogen in manure, he had commercial fertilizer nitrogen, and he had the nitrogen pumped from his lagoon and applied in the irrigation water. And what we were able to show with the soil testing was that he could reduce his applications of commercial fertilizer and thus make a more efficient farming operation. Another important thing that soil sampling can do, especially for a producer who's involved in producing silage corn for beef, is management of nutrients, especially nitrogen, but also phosphorus and potassium. Silage takes off a lot of nutrients, and we have to make sure that those nutrients are replenished as needed, either through the manure or through fertilizer. And regular soil testing can certainly help producer make decisions about those nutrients. Silage corn can make use of a shorter growing season than normal corn for grain production. That allows the producer to plant the cover crop a little bit earlier and let it grow a little bit later in the spring. He also harvests the rye cover crop and puts that in silage that's in turn fed to the beef cows, so the nutrients are basically recycled from the manure through the soil to the cover crop or the corn crop, all back to the beef. It's a very efficient way of nutrient management.